What is going on, everyone? Welcome to our Finance Tuesdays. We are on part 16 of the Blueprint to Financial Freedom. We're going to be talking about credit leasing today. Now, before I get to that, we're using the ideas from Jerry Fetta's book. We've been going literally step by step of how you can actually achieve financial freedom. And in this world, it's so important to get to a point where you don't have to rely on a paycheck and live that 9-to-5 lifestyle. We want to get to a point where we can actually take control of our time. We can spend time with our family and friends and just do really whatever we want. Now, again, this does take work. It's not a way you get rich overnight, but if you take these steps, you will get there. What is credit leasing? Now, credit leasing happens after you have corporate funding in place. We talked about that last week, how you actually set up a corporation, it's not under your name, and you build credit. Now, at this stage, you're a sophisticated investor. You have no debt. You have cash flow coming in. You have a trust fund set up, you're properly insured, so you do all that before you get into investing. And you're also saving 40% of your income on a month-to-month basis. And with that being said, once all that is done, you can now take advantage of these passive income opportunities. And again, credit leasing is just another way to make passive income. So how does this work? Now, first you're going to get an authorized user who is looking to build their credit. So this situation works really well for somebody who wants to establish better credit. So what they're going to do is they're going to take your card. Now, they can't use the card. They don't have access to the card number. They don't have access to your information. What they're trying to do is just build their credit. And it works out really well because you're going to charge them $100 to $400 for 60 days. So for those 2 months, you're going to make $400 off that person. So let's just say, you have it set up where you're going to charge 5 different people $300 for the month. That's going to be $1,500 coming to you without even working. And it works out really well because at this point, you've established great credit, you're making money passively and not having to work for it, and it benefits the other party because they're establishing their credit. And it works out really well in the end because, again, you're just making income, you don't have to work for it, and at this stage, you can take this opportunity. And again, it's not a risk to you because you're not, giving out personal information. They can't use the card for anything. They don't have access to the card number. They're just trying to make their credit look better. And if you're in this situation, you want to make sure you work with the right people. You don't want to just work with anybody. Make sure it's somebody you can trust because people will try to scam you if you're in this situation. So make sure you get the right team on your side. That way you're not caught off guard or surprised. But yeah, it's a great way to just make some income. It's a great way to, make some more money, and just another way where you can make income passively. That's the goal. You want to make income passively without having to work so much for it. So yeah, that's what I've got for you today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.